Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Venyn portable grill that I unboxed on my previous video. So I'll try my best to explain. So let's go. So I'm in the backyard, and this is the grill. So this is the box. Good luck to me. This is what it looks like. Guys, be careful. This cover is sharp, so we're gonna make this first. I'm gonna put the handle first, and then you will put this here. Get the first one, and this is what it looks like. Let's put it here. And we're done. Made the cover of them. Next one is next is this one. I'm gonna put it right here. So guys, we're gonna talk about my thoughts about the portable grill that I showed you a while ago. What I love about it is that it has the perfect size that you can bring anywhere you want. It's like you can assemble it and disassemble in an easy way. I'm sorry I'm not able to show you the whole demo part because I cut my fingers that day, and I asked for my husband's help because, you know, boy things. And for me, it's so easy to use. It's just that it's sharp, the cover is sharp, and it's not that bad. Quality of the grill is not cheap, it's not plastic. As you can see, it's obvious that we couldn't use plastic when we're going to grill something. And then the other one is that it has wheels. If you couldn't carry it, you can just push and pull the grill. Yeah, it's easy. For example, you're going to a part that's inclined, you're going up and then down. The good thing is it has wheels. You can just push it and pull it. It has air vent. You can close it and open it. So what else? If you want to buy that, it costs $30, $29.99 I think, but I'll make sure and put down here on the screen, and then on the description box of the website, I will put the website link on the description box if ever you want to buy, and you can just click it or visit their IG shop. I'm gonna link it down below as well. And that's it for today, guys. I hope I'm able to help you, and yeah, thank you again on my next video. Bye.